As you know, every election is, I call it a festival of democracy, where people express themselves to the ballot. As you know, in Goa, Zilla elections were not taken very seriously, I think, before this. But this particular election, it has generated so much of interest, and rightly so, because Zilla bodies have started to function and function very well in Goa. So that is also an institution which delivers, which does work for the people. So in that direction, I think we have seen very brisk voting as well, large turnout, and people should express themselves clearly as to whether they really recognize development, see who is in a better position to deliver, which party's candidate will do progress and development, and I think all this is going to weigh in their minds while voting. My simple message is we have to preserve our lovely Goa. We have to work towards betterment of its people and see that Goa continues to be the most progressive state with inclusive growth with special consideration for our local people.
Thank you, sir.